All right. So just remember, just in case you don't have gloves, you can wash your hands. Wash your hands before you start. Wash your hands before you touch stuff. Wash your damn hands. Soap and water. Wash your hands. Okay? There's You don't even know if the gloves are clean. You don't know what these gloves have been through. And I worked in healthcare, and we used to do this test. We used to do this test called the ink test to test how good the gloves are. There's no gloves that's 100% solid, impenetrable. Okay? Ink will always get through that bitch onto your finger. So you are still getting transfer. If you are afraid of germs on your hands, the gloves are not perfect. Okay? Just want you guys to know that. Now, when you're handling cooked food, okay, if you're serving the public, okay, make you wear some gloves. It looks good. You know what I mean? In your home, fuck that shit, dude. Don't